Hello my dear friends, today I will quickly show you how to use Cycles Render. When you first open up program, you switch from Blender Render to Cycles. Second step, make sure you properly set up render. Instead of using image editor, you switch to new window. You can also render preset. You can also set up resolution for YouTube. This is what I use, so you will have nice wallpaper for Facebook or YouTube. I will add my preset, Shimmy Simon. Okay, here make sure you use this to 100%. Next thing, we will check sampling. Square samples, value a class 20, you don't need more, or even 17, because we will use denoiser. Threads, if you have got Ryzen, you can set up to 12 threads, because AMD Ryzen has 16 threads and 8 cores. Because I have got AMD FX 8370, I can only set up to 6 threads, so my render will not slow my PC. That is why I checked this option fixed. Okay. After this, we also talk about adding sky to our scene, but select this. We will check the denoising feature. This is important because it will remove fireflies and noise. Next thing, if you have got a light object in the scene, to reduce shadow, to make shadow hard without noise, you change size to 0, size of the lamp. I must illustrate a little bit better. I have to snap this cube to scissors to show you what I mean, because some people may not know about this, but it is quite important. Okay, now we will check. Maybe I will use a smaller window. Where is smaller window? Okay, that's fine. I have to use button F to view selected. You see, we have hard shadows. If I change size of this lamp, shadows won't be hard. They will be soft. That is why I wanted to show you what I meant. Okay, next thing, I have to show you in Node Editor how to add sky texture. When you open this up, you have to switch to world icon. Then you add texture sky. But you connect from sky to background. Background must be connected to output. Another thing, you can rotate this globe. I did, and also turbidity. You can change it so you will have nice sun effect. Nice sun effect, like in the afternoon. Turbidity, ground albedo. It's quite interesting as well. Okay, next thing. Okay, another thing, if you want to add new material, make sure use nodes is use the color. You click on this and choose the image texture. Wait, I have to check something, because we didn't if you want to remove, so you will have remove the texture, add new material. Assign. But you can always add the image texture to it. I have to check if I can still add the texture. I will add, but I have to add my texture to bookmarks, so you will have quick access. And this folder. You can also choose texture by gate. So you will have textures which you already fixed or edited in GIMP. Metal texture. To speed things up, I have to use edge loops, Ctrl A, mark sim, so we will quickly unwrap. What I do, I will duplicate window. I should talk only about cycles render, not about how to texture, but I will quickly show you. Oh no. And the disk. I duplicated window just to show you, and I have to switch to 3D view. Mesh, UV unwrap. Just to show you, you can do this, and after this, I forgot to mention, make sure you check user preferences. CUDA is selected, and this, when you select, is very important. And in render settings, on the top of this, GPU compute instead of CPU. Now let's check our render time. I have to see if they are... You see, CPU usage is not too bad. I probably didn't switch to proper viewport. Sorry for this. Make sure you add the camera. I wanted to show you. I do things too fast. Don't worry, if you duplicated your window, you can always do like this. Control 0. Back. Also camera. Set active objects as camera. Now you can render your scissors. I don't do this in professional way. I only wanted to illustrate. Now, what I do, I must quickly switch to 3D view. You can do like this as well, because I must show you how fast it will be rendering time. Now we can render to check if this is fast enough. It looks is being rendered okay, because we assigned only 6 threads. Render time seems to be okay. Make sure you do exactly as you were shown in this video tutorial. Also, if you need materials for cycles, go to this website. You will get very nice materials. Sorry that it is too slow because I'm sending video to YouTube. Blender Manga, and you have all materials for your cycles render engine. I don't have to render this. I just wanted to show you. And your PC didn't suffer because of rendering time, because as I showed you, performance, you have to select to fix threads. And when you import material, another thing, add new material and append. Then you can import your materials. I have to check if I have got Chrome material, and your material will be important, and you can choose. But first of all, you have to assign this one. Control A, and then use Chrome material. Now we have Chrome material applied to scissors. I hope you like this video. Bye.